Can I freeze raw chicken to extend its shelf life?
In this video, we will discuss whether freezing raw chicken can extend its shelf life and how to properly freeze and defrost chicken to ensure its safety and quality.
Can I freeze raw chicken?
Yes, you can freeze raw chicken to extend its shelf life. Freezing slows down bacterial growth and preserves the chicken's quality. Properly frozen chicken can last up to 12 months in the freezer.
How should I prepare chicken for freezing?
Before freezing, pat the chicken dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. You can freeze chicken in its original packaging or repackage it in an airtight container or plastic wrap. Subsection 2.1. What if I want to freeze individual portions? To freeze individual portions, wrap each piece of chicken separately in plastic wrap or aluminum foil. This makes it easier to defrost only the amount needed.
How do I store frozen chicken properly?
Store frozen chicken in the coldest part of the freezer to maintain a consistent temperature. Keep the temperature at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, or below to ensure the chicken stays frozen and safe to eat.
How do I defrost frozen chicken safely?
To maintain food safety, follow one of these three methods to defrost frozen chicken. 1. Refrigerator. Place the frozen chicken in the refrigerator and allow it to thaw slowly, keeping it below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. This method takes the longest but is the safest. 2. Cold water. Place the chicken in a leak-proof plastic bag and submerge it in cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes to keep it cold. This method is faster but requires more attention. 3. Microwave. Use the defrost setting on your microwave to thaw the chicken quickly. Be sure to cook it immediately after thawing, as the microwave may partially cook some parts of the chicken. Freezing raw chicken is a safe and effective way to extend its shelf life. Just remember to prepare, store, and defrost it properly to maintain its quality and ensure food safety. Enjoy your meal.